Hi, I'm Henry Hober, and today I'll be doing scary movie nails. The nails I'll be doing is Coraline. Coraline. What you'll need is a blue. This is beautiful. A yellow. This is dandelion. And a black stamping polish. This is your black. You also need a sponge. Yeah. The points I'll be using are Beauty Big Bang 3, BP-X11, BP-LO57, and there it is, Chinese words LO27. So let's get started. I did all my nails in yellow. I didn't put the clear coat on them yet because I'll be doing something else. Here's the nail that I didn't put clear coat on. I misworded in the last one, but I'm going to go ahead and use the blue and the sponge. What I'm going to go ahead and do is just kind of put blue up here with the sponge. Just going to dab it on. So dab it on. Let's see. I can kind of see if I can make it a little curved. And I do not recommend this movie. I really, really don't recommend the movie to anybody. This is gonna probably take a couple coats. But yeah. Here it is. Oh, I'll do the rest off cam. And this is what it looks like with a couple coats on. The reason why I used sponges so that I can give it a little texture. Let's try this again. Maybe this time I'll pick a good pick. Yeah, it's got the right size, I don't care. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this image of thread onto this with black onto a bottle. I'm going to stamp multiple of these. There it is. I'm going to stamp more if I can. I'm going to go and do the same thing with the same nail. Put another thread bobbin thing on. I really don't know what to call this. There it is. I don't think I can add another one. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this this house. And I'm going to do it in black. It's to represent their house in Coraline. The movie that I don't like. Here it is. I'll be using the same exact house in black. It's been quite a while since I've seen the movie. I just remembered one thing that I'm not going to say. But this will give you a hint. I hope. There it is. Okay, let's try this again. Maybe this time I won't drop the stamper. And there's the cat. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the clear coat on my nail. And there it is. Okay, let's try this again. Maybe this one will have a line. Yay! And there it is. And kind of an image of Coraline. I'm going to go ahead and put the clear coat on top of Coraline. And there it is. There it is. Thanks for watching. Bye. I still don't like Coraline.